I have arrived to Japan in Osaka. I need to find a train to the city. Very easy. Number. Look what I found. Big Mac and coffee, $4.30. I found the exit. It's been a dream of mine for a while to visit Japan, and now I'm here. Finally. Freaking unreal. I got some money, now I'm rich. Found it. Let's get to bed. On a tourist street. What's cheating? This place is ridiculous. Some sort of popular sign. I want to visit the camera store, see what they sell. All the cameras you ever need. New ZR is out of stock. Alright, I'm ready to go. We have a laundry, a working space, view on the street. We have a kitchen. Very good, thank you very much. Let's go to Osaka Castle Park. Some nice cars here. Lunch break. There it is. Time capsule. Школьники. I'm not paying to get in, so I'm out of here.
Thank you! ありがとうございます。レッツゴー！ホープよいしょー！ありがとうございます。よっはい！よいしょ！逆立ちで
ーす。Let's continue. On the bridge. Very nice. Konnichiwa. Arigato. Sayonara. There's the stuff going on. Police in action. Huge fire truck. I can't read that. Sky building. Snowman in the house. $13 to get up there. I say we walk. We're going to metro. Busy hour. Got the ticket. $1.50. Check this out. Ticket. Definitely this way. And I'm back outside. Kamakura. Buying some food. What's going on, boys? Huge. This is way too much for me. Thank you very much. Success. Octopus.
Там H&M, там H&M.
This year, can save it from tears. I give it somewhere special. Last Christmas.
Another beautiful day in Osaka. Very nice. Tesla dealership. Place is stupid quiet. There's more Ferrari. And across the street we have a Lamborghini and McLaren. I'm gonna use this machine. Morning shot. We are golden, my boy. Can do it all day. Lobson. I'm glad this pocket is back. Another day in the paradise. Today I decided to go to Kyoto for a few hours. It's a 1 hour trip. Going underground for that. Train is here.
Konnichiwa, station number HK87.
So many trains here. Kyoto train. And I am in Kyoto. Some water. Sightseeing guide map.
OSAKA 神社
Buden, which is a stage. Robot on patrol.
外を走る上で位置情報を取っている。なので人に囲まれると動く。
Well, this is impressive. Golden ring. Teramachi. Yes. I need to get back to Osaka. I'm back to Osaka. Hotel. Hello. Look what I got. Tallest building in the city. 300 meters. We have a zoo. $3. Let's go. on there. Школьник.
今いたよ。
Boys from California. Macaque older than me. What are you saying? Came back to this place. I am at Tampa Square. Chilling at Tinoji Park. Got some food. Russian Japan. Ridiculous. Room tour. Fridge TV. Huge bed. Table. They gave me stylish shoes. Bathroom. We have a balcony. Have a great view. Look, I can jump out the window. Check this out. Yeah, can go there.
事項がありますので、皆さんしっかりと聞いてください。
What's going on? No cameras. Let's go. Is that a good view or what? Oh, these. The light comes up. Let's do it. Fish is crazy. Some police action. I've decided to buy myself a Japanese toilet with all the buttons and a sink on the top. I'll take two. My toilet didn't fit. Didn't fit in a backpack. Maybe next time. have a good trip. Let's find some food. These glasses move. Guys, it's a lot of sun. Place is colorful, hey? Tomorrow I leave this place. Tokyo, here I come. Going into dark alley. My residence for tonight. Beautiful morning in Osaka. Getting some freaking coffee. Here it comes. Got the ticket.
ここまでの道路状況です。
Arigato, boss. Hello. And that's my seat.